All right, first I gotta do change these pants, yo. Got dad pants on, but they were fine. Look at the fit. Look at the look at that. Look at the shirt. Look at the pearls. Look at that. Look at that. I don't got shoes on right now, but it's my school fit today. But all right, let's ready. Watch this jump cut. Best YouTuber editor. Ready? Boom. All right, we got our fit. Got our shoes. All right, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see y'all outside. All right. Shout out to the mailman. You already know. I bet we outside. Coming out of the driveway right now. I don't know how good the audio is gonna be, but we're chilling. All right, so I'm riding through my neighborhood right now. I'm gonna go hit up my old middle school and just skate around there for a little bit. All right, pulling up on the main road right now. Dude, I never realized how loud skateboards are, but we out there. Hey, what the dog doing? Oh. What's good, man? How you doing? You lost? Is this your dog? Hey, man, you good? Hey, come here, boy. Okay. Hey, man, you. Come here, boy. Oh, he's slanging. Hey, yo, listen. He has a dog tag, but I don't want to get bit by him. You good, bro? Come here, boy. Oh. What is going on right now? Bro, this is a random dog. Dude, who dog is this? Hey, you good? Come here, boy. You want a treat? Come here. Come here. Come here. Alright, well, I'm gonna just hope it's their dog. Bye. I'm so sorry that I can't help. I really hope you find your owner soon. But you're a big dog, so I'm gonna just hope that's his house. So, see you later. What the fuck is going on, bro? Dude, this is the craziest shit. Oh, what the fuck is going on? I'm just riding my board to my middle school to skate, and there's just a dog chilling, bro, on the sidewalk. Like, what the dog doing? Actually, what the dog doing? I asked the guy over there, it wasn't his dog. What the fuck? Alright, well, I hope he finds his owner. I hope that was his house. I feel really bad. I feel like I should have got his dog tag and called their owner. But, oh my god, this road is horrible. But, nah, man. Dude, they got the water park. Yeah, I'm about to like run through the water park. I'm about to run through the water park. I didn't know it would be open. Let's check this shit out, yo. That moment when you can't ollie up curb, bruh. Dude, it's a whole like little water park, yo. This is crazy. Dude. It's just a water park, yo. This shit is so cool. Let's put my board over here. Should I run through, guys? Fuck yeah, let's run it through there. Let's run through that. Oh, shit. Dude, this is nice. Dude, legs are nice and wet and cooled off. I feel great, yo. I feel great. It's gonna be a good day of skating. Kind of got a little too much water on my pants. I look like I just pissed myself, but we'll be alright. Oh! Check out this curve. See a little marks? That's where I learned my first like slappy board slide. If I can find the footage from like a year ago, I'll put it on the screen right now. Oh! So yeah, that was my first slappy board slide. Let's get off this. So close, so close. All right, let's go. Let's get some speed. Dude, look at that sunset. Oh my God. That is beautiful. All right, my fault. I'm distracted. No time. No time, baby. I bet this doesn't look as cool on camera, but it feels great. Oh, wow. Yo, they just redid the road. All right, ready? Listen up. Listen how he goes loud to quiet. All right, it's still kind of loud. It was not as smooth as I thought it would be. Smooth though. Nice new road. Ooh, cones. Cone sash? Cone sash? Cone sash. Cone sash. Cone sash. Alright. Let me steal the bad one. I'll bring it back. Let's go over there. Or bring it up there to the front. Right in the front of the school. You know, casually holding a cone. More cones. Little cones. Baby cones. Baby Keem? Oh my God. That Baby Keem album is so good. Alright, this cone is hurting my hand. A lot. I'm about to lose grip. Let's throw it over here. Link. I didn't bring my tripod. So, I have two options. I hold the phone as I go, or you get a bad angle. And we'll see how both goes. Let's practice on the kickflip. Not kickflip, ollie. And I might throw a kickflip at this, I don't know. Let's practice with ollie though. I don't like it how it's like that. The other way. There you go. Much better. Much better. All right. Oh, good. Oh, yeah. All right. Yeah, all right. Let me get another ollie in case that first ollie was messed up. Woo! Okay. All right, that was kind of weird ollie. Kickflip. Kickflip. No kickflip. I want to set my camera up over there and then film me session this. So I'm gonna go take another cone over there. Promise, I'm putting them back. Don't be mad. Let me go steal a quick cone. I mean borrow, not steal. Why would I ever steal a cone? Okay. Or two, that works too. Whatever works. Dude, I'm regular, I just realized. Why did I set the camera up like that? Alright, let's go. Let's go right into the kickflip. I got it. I got it. Alright, that was rocking in. I'm rebating that. Oh my God. That. Ooh. Woo! Oh yeah. Alright, got the janitor over there walking by. I don't think she cares. They love me here. Yeah, she's walking away. Nice, let's go. I don't know how the filming is on this, but hopefully it's good. Let me just ollie that. I think that'll be good. Quote unquote ender. If I get a really good ollie, I might kickflip it, but we'll see, we'll see. I'll throw 5 kickflips at it. 5 kickflips, and I gotta go. This sounds about to say. Try it. All right, now y'all want me to get it now, because I almost landed first. Oh! Oh! Holy shit! No! Alright, I don't know if you can hear me. I hope you can. I hope the audio's not messed up. But yeah, dude, I just learned 3 new things. I kickflipped down the curb when the cone is in front of it. I frontside 180 the curb when the cone was in front of it. And then I kickflipped the cone and the curb on top of each other. So shout out John Hill, progress daily. I love that. I love that like motto or whatever, catchphrase. But yeah, earlier the janitor came and I was scared I was about to get kicked out because she normally kicks me out when a cone session in front of the school, but she didn't care this time. So shout out to the janitors here. Best janitors in the world. This is my old middle school, bro. I used to walk through here every day. All right, now I'm skating it. All right, let's put these cones back. Ooh, let me put these cones back. Cones, not cone. Cones back. All right, let's do it. First order of business, take this little guy back. Bye-bye, little tripod. That's what I was using you for. I really hope those shots were clean because I kind of just set my phone up and I'm not used to recording with a fisheye too much. So hopefully they're clean. Let's go. Bye-bye, place. My entrance to my old middle school. I'll take you back now. Big old cone. What are you calling a cone? Pinhead. It's not cone. I just realized it's not cone. It's pinhead. I've been saying that wrong all my life. Manual the arrow with the cone in the hand. Oh! Dude, I'm the goat. I'm the goat. Can I just do that? I don't think so. Probably can, but just so I can feel good about myself. Oh, my hand is sticky. Oh, the cone had like tape on it. Oh, that's nasty. Hey! Miss Favilla's trailer. I took Spanish 1 there. Oh, shout out Miss Favilla. One of the funnest teachers I've ever had. She hated me though. Alright, bet. Pulling up to the bus loop right now. I love this spot. You got nice curves, decent road. You can like manual this. I manual like a good bit of this before. My kickflips today have not been it. I don't even want to. Let's not talk about my kickflips right now. It's alright though. You guys name it. I'm tired right now, anyways. Oh my god. Here's that little outside for the gym. So many memories here. Our gym. There's RTEP, basically detention. I never went in there. Shout out me. Being a good student. Oh my god. I fell off my board. Alright. Hopefully we can go to the loading dock area and they won't kick us out because I'm not trying to get kicked out right now. I love that hill right there. It's such a fun hill. Whoa. Oh shit, the janitors are up there. Alright, let's just hit it. Fuck it. They're not there right now. I'm gonna just kickflip and go down this hill. Oh shit. The lights are on. That's Hungry Creek Middle School. There's a lunch line, lunch, halls, library over there. That's crazy. Old school. Counting it, I don't care. Let's hit this hill. Oh, okay, it's close to me. Alright, we're good. Iffy ollie, we'll be alright. Look at that moon, yo. I think I can see it. It's a half moon right now. It's fucking beautiful, bro. I love little things like that. Alright, we're back here. Let's go. Alright. Gotta head through the forest just to get back to my neighborhood. A little shortcut. Right here, all this is like like not ultimate, but this is just like a little frisbee course. It's so cool like coming by here to see people throwing frisbees and stuff. But yeah, don't believe me, T7. It's a frisbee course, whatever, in front of my school. And yeah, watch this nollie kicker. Alright, that was not as cool as I thought it would be, but it's alright. Pulling up to leaving the Loki Memorial Trail. Rest in peace, Loki. Or not, rest in peace, Loki. Shout out to, I don't know. No motorized vehicles. Sick. I was thinking about driving my car through there until now. Alright, we're back in my neighborhood. This is gonna basically be the end of the vlog. Let me do a little outro. Alright, I'm on my way home right now. I'm back in my neighborhood. I'm about to be there in like 5 minutes. This is gonna be the end of the video. I don't know, I hope it was entertaining. This is actually my first video on the channel, so I feel not awkward or anything. I don't know. Yeah, see y'all later. I got battery, I got internet. Peace out.